Hi everyone! This is Evangeline Alingilan. I was born and raised in Ubay, Bohol, but presently andito po tayo sa Surrey, British Columbia, Canada. I am a mom of 4, so ito yung youngest ko, with Skylar, and I am a medical lab assistant under Fraser Health here in Vancouver. I'm making this video kasi I would just like to share an opportunity that has actually helped me and my family a lot. So I was looking for an extra income before, during pandemic, and I came across lang po sa isang advertisement ng isang stranger in the name of Rebecca Sabagahan. I was curious kasi nga naghanap ako ng extra income online kasi ang hirap sa Canada pag sahod lang ang inaasahan, lalo na lumalaki yung pamilya namin. Meron na po kaming 4 na anak. So I was just curious, and then when I knew that this opportunity is very legit at napaka-doable siya, I got started right away, and to inspire, dito po natin kinita ang 7 figures, very part-time. Kaya sa mga naghahanap ng pagkakitaan dyan, I highly recommend this Hypersonic digital system of easy explosion worldwide kasi napaka-perfect, especially sa mga busy, sa mga employees, sa mga parents, and of course sa mga naghanap ng extra income na pwede niyong gawin sa available na time niyo. So kinita ko po itong income po namin, very part-time. Kaya to those who are interested, message me or message to the person who actually forwarded you this video, and see you here in Easy Explosion Worldwide. Be the next. Bye-bye!